If you wish to grow your business for your photography studio, or if you are a freelance photographer, these digital marketing strategy for photographers will help you to grow your business by picking some simple marketing strategies. Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new episode on digital marketing. This is season 1, episode number 5. I'm your host Farheen Mubarak from the Digi Creators. Today, we will be discussing about what digital marketing strategy you can make for photographers by diving deep into marketing and focusing mainly in the online world. I'm sure this will help you to become an expert in driving business, and with the hope that by the end of this episode, you are able to get a clarity and understand the seriousness of having a digital marketing strategy for photographers and why is it so important for your business's growth. Social media has become a powerful advertising tool for photographers today. You can connect with thousands of potential customers all at the click of a button. From Facebook to Instagram and from Twitter to YouTube, the potential is huge. But social media requires planning, strategy, and commitment. Here are some amazing and super easy tips you may include while making a digital marketing strategy, which is sure to enhance your business's performance and help you boost sales. Number 1, straight to social media. Authenticity is the most important concept in social media. Tricking your users about who you are will come back to wound you later. Be yourself, express your voice, and express your own artistic vision for each. Try collaborating with other accounts, photographers, products, and businesses. In this way, you can develop your brand, generate traffic, and become a trustworthy source for your audience. Buying fake fans or getting involved in bot audience is definitely an easy way to throw money into the drive. But always remember that fabricated interactions will forever interfere with your marketing research. Number 2, edit your post. Don't ever forget to be consistent about this. This may sound boring, but knowing that they can expect a relevant post from you every day will make your followers stick. You don't need to go overboard. Regularly posting will not help you if you do not post on peak hours or times when the engagement level is max. Say for example, if you post at 3 a.m. when most of your followers are asleep, no one will notice. Try to plan your post at times when your audience will engage. Say on weekends, try posting during lunch or after office hours. Avoid posting where the next one may get stuck on the runway, say at work or while asleep. On weekends, turn to the fact that most people like to go out and have fun on Saturday and go back to bed on Sunday. Try not to make posts at the time when people are not on their phones. Editing your posts is an ongoing and consistent process. It keeps changing as per the audience's engagement behavior. Number 3, choose between niche influencers or diversity. Niche advertising strategy is popular with photographers working in the same field. Niche appeal means creating a brand that is attractive to a certain group of people. This can be a color scheme, style, or a theme. Anything remarkable about your transparent photography business works. But for this strategy to work, all of your social media content must follow it. It must be designed to represent the physical and aesthetic beauty. All your hashtags should also only target people who are drawn to that theme. These are the ones that are likely to stick and click the follow button. There is a lot to be gained from niche appeal compliance. Customers interested in booking will know what to expect from you. In worst case scenarios, you may find yourself stuck in your niche with insufficient customers who are interested in what you offer. This is where a diversity strategy can prove to be useful. With variety, you can attract a large number of followers. You will be offering a wide variety of images if you choose a variation in your photography business. Your social media feed may include all the different functions you perform. Number 4, use hashtags and topics. This is a quick, easy, and a fun way to engage with social media culture. You need to hurry with relevant hashtags and current popular topics in the changing times. After that, you should look at one of your tasks to match the current situation. This can be a great way to get your photos in front of millions of brand new eyes. Hashtags are basically words or sentences preceded by a hash or a punctuation mark. This is used to identify messages on a specific topic. By adding hashtags to your image, you categorize it. Users can click on the hashtag to see more images within that group. In this way, your image becomes part of the public view. There are many hashtags dedicated to specific industries, days of the week, or months of the year. Please note, driving engagement through a hashtag is only possible if your social media account is public. Number 5, embrace your product to stay consistent. Sometimes the best strategy is to get back to the basics of business. You will need to either build a solid or a tangible product. You can use social media to accept your product and sell the lifestyle associated with it. Photos sell the feeling to the previous photos. You can do this in a variety of ways, from creating niche content to having fun behind the scenes. Number 6, make sure you produce quality content. The definition of quality content is slightly different in terms of communication. Quality content is a beautiful image taken with a professional camera, right? Yes, but when it comes to social media, there are some important features you need to keep in mind. Make sure that your content is informative or expressive. Make sure that your content is extremely interesting and is shareable. The content you produce should be different and should add value. And most importantly, make sure that your content is optimized for SEO depending on the communication platform. And yeah, that's all for today. To make sure that you are on the right track while achieving your brand goals, you must choose the best digital marketing agency that will help you establish your business with minimal cost involved. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at www.thedigicreators.com for a free consultation. For your information, The Digi Creators is a startup digital marketing agency and is among the best homegrown digital marketing leaders in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Lastly, we have taken up the 7-day podcast challenge where we will be posting 7 different digital marketing strategies for various industries. In the next episode, we will be talking about how to make a digital marketing strategy for the pharma industry. Stay tuned with us for more and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our forthcoming episodes. Please do drop in your comments and let us know what you think about this. Hoping to hear from you guys very soon. Bye-bye.